Hello everybody, and today we are making chicken wings out of this glove with my hand. Now what you want to do is do this. Now get a cutting board, any cutting board. Place it down like this. Get a big knife like so. Place it on there. Turn on the light. Get the knife. It goes chop, 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 chop. Ah! Ah, God! Ah, God! Oh, God. 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 Take your hand out of the glove. God. Now, just gotta, put it in the sink. Now, brush this off. Put the sauce, the blood, or in a bowl. Swish it around to see that it's nice and good in there. And boom, wings! And now we need a little sauce. And now we just need a little sauce to get in there. Oh, God! Drink it. And there we have it. Wings! So good! It's so good, God! I think there was something in those wings. I don't think I did it right. Fuck! The blood and bones.